ये है नया स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल RS 2020. माय गॉड. So guys, I have just reached the Triumph dealership here in Bhubaneswar, and the new Street Triple RS is incredible. It looks so beautiful. I mean, इसकी जो पेंट स्कीम है अभी पूरा चेंज हो गया है और आगे का DRL looks even more aggressive. So overall, the look and feel of the bike is simply amazing. So I am with Sujit now, who's the head of sales here. एंड वो हमको बताएगा इसमें क्या चेंजेस हुआ है कंपेयर टू द अदर वर्जन ऑफ द स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल RS विच केम इन 2018 एंड 19. सो लेट्स टॉक विद सुजीत नाउ एंड उसको पूछते हैं इस बाइक के बारे में. एंड आई गेस दिस इज़ अ डेमो बाइक एंड प्रोबेबली द डीलरशिप विल बी काइंड इनफ टू let us ride. So guys, this is Sujit from the Triumph dealership भुवनेश्वर and वो हमको अभी दिखाएगा इस बाइक में क्या नया एडिशंस है कंपेयर टू द लास्ट ईयर स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल RS. एंड वैसे तो लुक वाइज दिस बाइक एज आई सेड इज़ लुकिंग अमेजिंग. तो सुजीत थोड़ा हेल्प करो बताने के लिए इस बाइक में क्या क्या अभी नया दिया है.
सो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं नया DRLs अभी दिए हैं इसमें, जो कि हम लोग ऑन करके अभी देखेंगे.
तो बेसिकली इसका जो DRL इट लुक्स लाइक आईब्रोज. ये पहले वाला एडिशन में नहीं था.
पहले यहाँ पे DRLs हुआ करते थे, अभी ये दोनों स्ट्रिप्स आ रहे हैं. सो इसके लाइट्स के कलर्स में भी चेंजेस हुए. पहले येलो आ रहे थे, अभी वाइट आ गए.
सुजीत पहले जो इसकी लाइक ब्रेक्स था क्या था ये M50 कैलिपर्स दे
आर द सेम. अभी नए इंस्ट्रूमेंट
वाइज सारा सेम है.
बस थोड़ा चेंजेस हुआ है. लाइक कलर स्कीम चेंजेस हुआ है, टेल पार्ट चेंजेस हुआ है.
दिस इज द BS6 मोटरसाइकिल.
यस.
सो ओवरऑल जो इक्विपमेंट था पहले इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड इक्विपमेंट ऑल ऑफ देम आर द सेम.
इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर में अभी थीम्स वगैरह चेंजेस हुआ है पूरा कंप्लीट. पहले 6 थीम आया करते थे, अभी 3 है.
ओके.
उसका चेंजेस हम लोग यहाँ पे होम बटन में जाकर चेंज कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर जैसे कलर ऑप्शन देख सकते हैं. पहले कुछ कलर का कुछ ऑप्शन भी नहीं आता था, अभी ब्लू आता है, येलो आता है, ग्रीन आता है एंड सिल्वर आता है. ठीक है. फिर जैसे हम लोग ब्राइटनेस, ये ब्राइटनेस वगैरह पहले जैसा था वही ऐसा ही है.
ओके.
विजिबल ट्रेस में आपको पहले 2 ट्रेस आते थे. एक ट्रेस में 3 थीम आया करते थे. अभी टोटल 3 ही थीम है इसमें. सो इसमें आप ये आपका पहला वाला ट्रे है जिसमें आप ट्रिप 1, ट्रिप 2, फ्यूल स्टेटस, सर्विस इंटरवल, कलर एंड स्टाइल ये सब चेंज कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. कॉन्ट्रास्ट ऑल्सो एंड लैप टाइमर ऑल्सो. वो अपने हिसाब से कहाँ क्या क्या चीज़ रखना है वो अपने हिसाब से आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं वहाँ से.
ओके. सो गाइज इसकी जो स्टॉक एग्जॉस्ट है इसको भी ट्रायम्फ ने बहुत सुंदर से बनाया है. इफ़ यू सी द स्टॉक एग्जॉस्ट इट हैज़ a carbon tip at the end with very nice Triumph branding and looks really nice. और इसकी exhaust note हम और थोड़ी देर के बाद सुनेंगे. So guys this is the rear end of the motorcycle और इसमें एक सीट काउल आता है as stock. इसमें जो 2020 एडिशन में चेंजेस है ये थोड़ा रीडिज़ाइंड है और यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा डिफरेंट लुक दिया है. यहाँ से एयर घुसने के लिए एक डक्ट दिया है जैसा. एंड the rear remains the same with the LED lighting and these are the stock Triumph indicators, very nice and sleek. So people who want to insert a tail tidy they can remove this one and put an aftermarket like RNG or Evotech Performance. Now let's talk about the tires. It comes with Pirelli's best in the line Diablo Super Corsa tires. So basically these are high performance tires and with high grip value on the road. But problem with these tires is in Indian riding conditions ये tires काफ़ी जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. So if you are using Pirelli Angel GT or Rosso 3, those tires can give you a life of about 10 to 12,000 kilometers. But इसमें क्या है, it goes for about 6,000 to 7,000 kilometers. Basically these are mostly used in the track. So I think Sujit ये 180 है. Yeah, it's a 180 section. It's not 190. You can insert a 190 but it's better to have the 180 section tires. And the suspensions are again the same classic Öhlins. सो ओलिंस आप देखे होंगे जितने हाई परफॉर्मेंस बाइक्स है, all of them have Olins. Even my Ducati, my Hypermotor doesn't have an Olins, but the other high performance bikes, they all come with Olins as stock. So welcome back guys, this is Ashish again, and this is my first hands-on with the Street Triple RS 2020, and thank you for the Triumph dealership Bhubaneswar for giving me this bike for test ride. So let's fire her up for the first time. I'm going to be taking a very short spin, not going far. So let's see how this bike feels. Wow, that's the sweet sound of the inline 3. Oh my god, this bike looks sexy as hell. Oh wow, the sweet sound of the inline 3. Feels really good. It's quite light, and it has an up and down quick shifter as well. So I'm not going to go too far, nor am I going to test this bike for its maximum limits, because it's a demo bike and I'm very thankful to them to give it to me to have this test ride. So overall it feels exactly the same like that of the previous Street Triple RS. However, the company claims it has a 9% bump over the previous edition. This bike kind of feels a lot smoother than the Ducati, because I'm riding a twin cylinder and the 3-cylinder is obviously more smoother. Even the stock exhaust is pretty good, sounds wonderful. Oh wow, so nimble. The handlebar is nice and straight, so it's very much comfortable and a relaxed position, I would say. So you're going to turn over here and go back to the dealership. Oh wow, the brakes are bang on buck. The brakes are really good. These are the top of the line brakes. Look at that inline 3. Sounds so bloody good. Every time you hit the throttle, this bike gives a really nice pull. Oh, just look at that. The mirrors remain stable even at high speeds. So we'll head back to the dealership. It's really good. I mean, this bike is as good as it was, that's what I can say. Even with the cosmetic updates, this is indeed one of those bikes which is worth it So the on-road price of this bike is at about 13 lakhs. It's little bit higher for a naked motorcycle, but for 13 lakhs you get everything very, very premium. But the problem here is in India, the customer for these kind of bikes is very, very less, and people always look for, you know, those big fairing bikes. So these kind of bikes don't perform that well in Indian markets. But overall, if you ask me, this is one hell of a bike. It's just too good. Wow, simply amazing. So the display of this bike is like I would say a small iPad. It's very clear, and even in this sunlight conditions it's very, very visible. So that's something I would give an extra point to Triumph for. And at this age, these kind of things really make an appeal to a rider. The brakes on this bike are just too good. Pair of M50s and Brembos. Suspension is also nice. It comes with Öhlins as stock. Now it's time to return back the Street Triple RS, and thank you very much Triumph Bhubaneswar to give me this bike. So guys, that was the Street Triple RS and it is one really nice and amazing bike. बहुत मज़ा आया इसको चला के अभी हाईवे पर. And so this bike is priced at 11 lakhs 13,000 and on road ये लगभग आ जाएगा आपका 13 lakhs के आसपास, which is quite a very nice deal from Triumph. So आप जैसे देखें ये सारे changes है ये नया 2020 edition में, and hopefully this bike will sell well in the segment where people are interested for naked motorcycle. But as I said, 13 lakhs में इंडिया में other brands are offering full fairing bikes. So इसलिए naked bikes priced at this price is little bit difficult to sell. But you must consider the equipment level जो इस bike में है. Everything is top of the line. So overall my rating for this bike is really good. अगर आपको एक high performance motorcycle चाहिए, and if naked is not your concern, this is the bike to pick. I thank today the dealership at Bhubaneswar to give me a test ride. It was fantastic. They are very helpful and hope you will take this bike.